Welcome back to DavidSW. Today we'll be showcasing the iconic Patek Philippe reference number 5712. For more information and purchasing details, please visit DavidSW.com. The Patek Nautilus is a historically important collection for the brand. The reference number 5711 is one of the most recognizable timepieces in the world. The 5712 takes the iconic 5711 to another level. The timepiece features extra complications for those who want something different. The complications include a sub-seconds, a moonphase with a date wheel, and a power reserve indicator. The harmonious execution of this complicated watch is what makes this timepiece very desirable. For your reference, my wrist is 6.5 inches and the 5712 comes in at 40mm in diameter, 8.7mm thickness, and 48.7mm from lug to lug, which means top to bottom. Powering this timepiece is the automatic caliber 240. This movement features a micro rotor with a total power reserve of 48 hours. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing for more amazing content and visit DavidSW.com to view or purchase this timepiece.